How to preview, publish, and unpublish Wix Studio website. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple it is to make or start by previewing the website that you have, publish it, and also unpublish it if you have no use with it or you want to make some adjustments that you do not want actually your customers to see that live. So we are going to head over wix.com. Then we are going to select the Wix Studio website that we have. Usually when you sign in into your Wix platform, you are going to see the website or the site's dashboard. In here, you are going to see some labeled ones that are going to be only built for on the Wix Studio, as this one, as you can see, but the other ones with the standard Wix are not going to be labeled. So we are going to click on select site. As you can see, this is the Wix Studio dashboard loading up. Now we are going to see that here what are we going to do is to click on edit site, click on that, and then it will load up the website. So let's say that this website has not been published yet. So we are going to see that at the top here we have the publish and also the let's say here button that will allow you to preview either in the preview or the editor mode or the test site. So how we can preview that? So I'm going to make some adjustments or add some, let's say here an image, and I want to see that image, how it will work or it will look. So I'm going to make it just like that. So I'm going to close the inspector. So I'm going to put in here. I want to see that image, how it will look. So I'm going to click on preview. So you're going to see the preview as here. So you can preview the website on the mobile like this. And as you can see, it is not going to be compatible at all on desktop, on a tablet, and also on iPads or whatever. If I want to be back on the editor mode, I'm going to click on edit site. So here we have successfully saw the preview. Now how we can publish the website? Simply click on publish in here if the adjustment that you have made are going to be good. So you are going to be convinced that it is going to be here or all right. So as you can see, you are going to get a congratulating message that your website is published and live online. So that was the 2 steps of setting up the preview and also the publishing of the website. Here I'm going to let you see something that we have basically two options for the previewing. For the preview in the editor, we have saw it, but we can also preview as a test website. So we are going to create a test website and click on it. So it is going to create that website and it will take us to the specific, as you can see, test site. So you're going to see everything in here as a guest and not as a editor. So you're going to see everything in here and everything is going to be like the customer appearances. Basically, here we have finished with the preview and publishing. Now we are going to be back to the main menu or the dashboard of that website. As you can see, this is the website dashboard. Now, how we can unpublish that website? We are going to head over the left side of the screen. Let's scroll down a little bit until we see here settings. Click on settings. And from here, we are going to see all the general settings. We are going to scroll down until we see the site and domain settings. We're going to click on website settings. And then the first thing that will appear is going to be site is published. So if you want to unpublish that, click on here and unpublish it just like this. Basically, that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.